I welcome you to the useful channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to quickly cure hemorrhoids at home. Warm sitting baths, warm water covering buttocks and hips, pleasantly calms and relieves spasms. Take a sitz bath, should be in the basin. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for 20 minutes immediately after emptying intestines. After the procedure, it is necessary to carefully dry the inflamed area with a towel. Applications from glycerin and salt, Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, in combination with glycerin, help relieve pain, inflammation and burning. Mix an equal amount of glycerin and salt, then apply a gauze dressing to the affected area with this. A mixture. Leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes. If necessary, repeat this process every 4 to 6 hours. You can also add this mixture to the sedentary bath. Use an ice pack. Ice is often used for hemorrhoids. By applying an ice pack to the affected area, you will reduce pain and swelling in a matter of minutes. Common Vaseline. This good old folk remedy relieves the symptoms of hemorrhoids by creating a protective film. Lubricate the hemorrhoid nodes abundantly with Vaseline and put a soft cloth on top. Try to lie down and hold the pelvis in high condition. The use of petroleum jelly will reduce tissue swelling and relieve pain syndrome. Wear cotton underwear. Cotton underwear can prevent the formation of moisture and irritation of hemorrhoids. Also, wear loose-fitting clothing. Movements. Compulsory rest. Bed rest for several days helps significantly relieve inflammation and irritation of hemorrhoidal veins. Sleeping on the stomach with a pillow located under the hips reduces swelling. Change your toilet habits. Do not tolerate, but go to the toilet as soon as you feel the need. Sit on the toilet, raising your legs higher, for example, placing an inverted bucket under your feet. So the process will go much faster. Do not sit for long in the toilet. If you do not want to increase blood flow and swelling of the veins in a sore spot, then get up immediately, as the matter is done. It's time for lovers of reading in the toilet to quit their habit. Get rid of constipation with fiber, water and probiotics. Hedgehog. More foods high in fiber. This is prunes, apples, carrots, peas, broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, legumes and oatmeal. In grocery stores, find ready-made fiber and consume it with water. Eating yogurt with bifidobacteria is the #1 weapon against constipation. Be sure to drink at least 2 liters of water during the day. Heal yourself with the power of herbs. Hamamelis, aloe vera, yarrow. All these herbs are in the pharmacy and are effective in treating hemorrhoids. Use witch hazel ointment and make moist warm compresses from a steamed plant 2 times a day. Aloe pulp saves from hemorrhoids, as described in this recipe. Or boil a tablespoon of yarrow in 250 ml of water and add to the water for a medicinal sitting bath. Entrust your homeopathy. Hemorrhoids. Recommendations about taking certain drugs are best obtained from an experienced practicing homeopath. Horse chestnut has proven itself in the treatment of hemorrhoids. According to research, horse chestnut improves blood microcirculation, capillary flow and tone. Vessels. Use a tincture of chestnut flowers on vodka and decoctions for baths. Within 2 weeks, severe symptoms will stop. Fleming ointment contains marigold, chestnut extracts, horse, witch hazel, menthol, as well as zinc oxide. Thanks to this composition, the ointment anesthetizes, stops bleeding, kills bacteria. We recommend you go to the doctor right away if the symptoms are serious and they do not stop even after home procedures. Like this video, subscribe to useful channel. Click on the bell and share useful information with your friends.